you ever wondered how to simplify your financial management process? Enter QuickBooks, a powerful tool designed to streamline your accounting tasks. Setting up an account is as simple as pie. You'll start by registering, then move on to choosing a subscription plan that fits your needs like a glove. Remember, it's crucial to customize your account settings to align with your business requirements. And just like that, you're on your way. Setting up your QuickBooks account is the first step towards more efficient financial management. Now that your account is set up, understanding the QuickBooks dashboard is crucial. Think of it as your financial command center. Here on the home page, you'll find a snapshot of your business's financial health. The navigation bar at the top is your compass, guiding you to different modules, and the sidebar menu, that's your toolbox, housing essential tools like invoicing, expenses, and reports. Knowing where these are and how to use them is key. Mastering the QuickBooks dashboard will put all your essential financial tools at your fingertips. With QuickBooks, managing your finances becomes an easy task. The software is designed to handle all your financial needs from one convenient location. Let's start with invoicing. QuickBooks lets you create professional invoices which you can send directly to your clients. For tracking expenses, the program automatically categorizes transactions from your bank account, credit cards, and PayPal. QuickBooks also simplifies managing bills and payments. It lets you schedule recurring payments, so you never miss a deadline again. And for those who like to keep everything in order, reconciling your bank accounts has never been easier. QuickBooks matches your bank transactions with your sales and expenses, eliminating any discrepancies. And let's not forget about the reports. QuickBooks offers a wide range of financial reports that provide insights into your business's financial health. With just a few clicks, you can generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. QuickBooks makes your financial management tasks quicker and more efficient. Let's take your QuickBooks experience to the next level with third-party integrations. QuickBooks offers a multitude of integrations with apps that handle everything from payroll and inventory management to time tracking. By linking these apps to your QuickBooks account, you can create a more efficient and automated financial workflow. Imagine having all your essential tools in one place, working seamlessly together. That's the power of integration. Integrating third-party apps can supercharge your QuickBooks experience. Now, get ready for some pro tips to make the most of QuickBooks. Want to speed up your workflow? Try using keyboard shortcuts. They're an easy way to navigate the software faster. And don't shy away from advanced reporting techniques. They can provide valuable insights into your financials. Remember, there's a solution for every issue you might encounter. So when in doubt, seek help from QuickBooks' extensive help and support resources. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to mastering QuickBooks.